Hey there YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Okay, you can probably see this a little bit better. This is the box, or this is the build that I had this week. This is probably not interesting to everybody, but it is interesting to me. This is a project for my school in which I am going to be taking photographs of my students through this little set. Now, I stole this idea, or took this idea, from two amazing photographers, Jada and David. They're a couple that make set designs, and they sell things like this on the World Wide Web. But their price for theirs is $700 American. And I thought, oh my goodness, I have some old scrap wood from my kitchen cabinets. I probably have some scrap MDF or something like that. I can make this. I have a CNC machine. So really the box design was quite simple. I did use the box maker just because I like using it and it's pretty simple. And then the other thing that I did was I kind of dadoed some grooves in there for my slots. Now I have 6 slots in there. It's 5 inches deep, and really it just slides in and out. And I painted these with some spray paints, all different colors. Now, some of the designs that I've seen, or some of the videos that they have posted, have hearts or anything like that, which we all know is capable to be doing on the CNC machine. But I just started with circles because I thought, okay, well, let's try this out and let's not make it cost a whole lot of money. Now, this week's build, I actually had to go to the hardware store, the actual lumber store, and talk to some professionals about what materials I should use. And I asked them, well, what is the stuff that the laser people use? And they said, actually, it's really hard to get that stuff in right now. It was Baltic birch plywood. And for some reason, some sort of Russian trade deal, we can't get it anymore, or it's harder to get. So he recommended, I said, well, I'm just gonna paint this stuff, and I need it for set design for school. And he suggested this stuff, which is really just underlay. It's got a smooth finish, and it's very thin. It worked quite well. It cuts really quickly. I'm sick of MDF dust, so this was much cleaner, and I was able to use this. So not too interesting in terms of maybe some intricate, crazy designs, but I just saved myself $700 American by creating this at home on my CNC machine. Next week, we will be in the classroom taking photographs of our awesome project, and I will let you know how that goes. I just realized I have my hat on backwards, and it's only so I could fit my face in the hole here. And that's all I have to say. Thank you so much for watching. Until next week, I hope to be building something even better than this week's build. Have a wonderful week. Goodbye.